See, I told you he likes to sit on my head. And now your Uncle Aaron and Aunt Christy are going to know you're a monkey and you like to sit on my head.
I like to.
You like to?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you like to?
I like
Why do you like sitting on my head?
the head.
Why?
Head.
Why? Why?
I want to sit on the head.
Stinky boy, why are you grabbing on my head? Oh, River! Now all I see is butt. Butt and big fat foots. Butt and big foots. Butt and River! You're on my head again.
Yeah.
River, I'm gonna get your poster you off, River. Ethan!
David.
Ethan, why are you crying? Ethan. Come here. Come here. River's gonna come sit on your head. What's wrong?